Hey everyone, it's Hashim here again. Today, we're diving into one of the smartest thermostats on the market, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. This little device doesn't just control temperature, it helps save energy, monitors your air quality, and even works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Built-in air quality monitor works with smart sensors to adjust room by room. Voice control built-in with Alexa or Siri energy-saving reports. Beautiful touchscreen display. Setting it up was actually easier than I expected. The ecobee app walks you through everything step by step. I had mine working in under 20 minutes. If you're serious about smart home comfort and energy savings, this is definitely a product to consider. The design, the features, and the performance are top-notch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out the link below to grab yours on Amazon.